Greetings guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we've got an important topic to cover, and that is how to switch from Wix ADI to the Wix editor. If you are started with ADI but want more control and flexibility, you are in the right place. If you have been using Wix ADI but you've heard great things about the Wix editor, I'm excited to let you learn how to switch from it. So, before we jump into it, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. We're here to help. We love the amazing community we've built here, and your comments and feedbacks are always appreciated. So keep those comments coming. All right? And enough of the intro. Let's head over to the web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome right now, but Wix.com is compatible to any known type of browsers, be it Firefox, Brave, Safari. So once you are in Wix.com, you might wanna create your account. Okay. Once you have created your account, sign up and then log in using your credentials. And then if you are on the ADI, right? ADI has limitations as far as I am concerned, and it simplifies the process basically, right? So ADI stands for Artificial Design Intelligence, right? So it makes it easier for everyone to use it. If you're not really the techie person and you just want to drag and drop your design for a website, ADI will simplify that for you, but it has limitations. Okay, that's one of the reasons why switching to ADI to Wix.com is one of the strategic decision. All right, because Wix Editor provides greater control over the design and functionality of your website. You can customize and fine tune every element to align with your unique vision. The editor offers advanced customization options, including the ability to work with code, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, which allows you to create a website that stands out and meets your specific needs. Some features and apps in Wix may only be available in the Wix editor, so transitioning to that may give access to a broader range of tools and integrations. And the editor provides more control over responsive design, ensuring your website looks function well on various devices and screens. Okay, so let's say you are here. Okay, when you're when you are in the ADI, basically you will have an option here to stay in ADI, or you can simply hover and right click switch to editor, right? That's a thing that you can see in the interface if you are using the ADI, which is the artificial design intelligence. And once you hover and converted to the Wix website editor, the editor is often preferred by businesses and professionals who want a polished and highly customized website that will reflect in their brand. So learning to use the Wix editor here can be beneficial in the long term, as it builds transferable skills that can be applied to other website design and development platforms. And most importantly, the editor allows for more collaborative efforts, making it easier for multiple team members to work on the website simultaneously. Because if you ever plan to migrate your website to a different platform in the future, starting with Wix Editor can make data migration and transition smoother. Because as we believe, your website will eventually grow, so as your business, and the Wix Editor can better accommodate your evolving needs and provide the scalability that is required. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up. And we hope you found it informative. If you did, please Leave us a feedback or comment. We read and respond to many as we can. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.